What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video for you guys. So my package has finally arrived since April. It has finally arrived and I'm just going through it. I did order random things from random places and all has been packed into one bag, so let's get into it. So these first things that I ordered were some bedazzled detail that I'm gonna be using. This is also an extension for my blow dryer, which didn't fit. I was so annoyed. This is a fedora hat that I ordered from Fashion Nova. I really like that hat and I've been having my eyes on it for the longest. These are just some cute butterfly details that I ordered from Shein. I did order this earring and these lashes as well from Shein. I ordered the butterflies to like decorate my wall because my wall has been looking dry. These are some silicone loaf pans that I ordered for my baking that I'm gonna be doing. And this is a cute hat that I ordered from Shein as well. I don't remember how much it cost, but I don't think it was expensive at all. These are some masks that I ordered from Fashion Nova. I did order them for my daughter on sale, but they do not fit. These are some makeup sponges that I ordered. I really needed some. I ordered those from Shein. These are some shoes that I ordered from Shein for my daughter. I decided to just put these in here. Super cute. I don't know if I'll have her wear them for school or for a little dress up occasion. These are some PJs that I ordered for my daughter as well. She saw mine from my last Shein haul video and she really wanted one, especially because it had this sleep mask in it. So I ordered these cute puppy dog ones for her and she loved it. And I did order this cute rabbit headband just to put my hair out of the way when I'm doing my makeups. I thought it was really silly and cute. These were some slippers that I bought from Shein as well for my daughter. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I ordered from Shein for my daughter because they do have great kid stuff. These were some slippers that I ordered for myself. Next I ordered this cute top. It is almost like a crop top, but it has a tie at the back. Now, I didn't know the back was going to be so opened, but I'm going to see how I can figure to wear it to be comfortable. I ordered this hoodie, this pink, blush pink hoodie. I am going to DIY it into something that I like. My daughter was making fun of me because I was trying to do a thumbnail. And last but not least, I ordered some dentist sticks for my pups. Stay tuned for my birthday outfit haul. It will be in the next haul video. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.